Got another video for you guys. So at one point when I did my thermostat delete, I had to cut the rivets down of the skid plate down here. And I've been riding it with zip ties because I've been lazy. But I finally got a kit, Amazon kit. Comes with this tool, a few rivets. So this is the metric 6, that's the one I'm using. Has a lot of different ones, and the only thing it doesn't come with is the nuts. So I had already purchased these with some billet washers. Don't mind my dirty hands. I've been working on a few side-by-sides to get them ready for Glamis. But yeah, I already have one on there, which is this one. And these bolts are metric 6 as well, so they fit perfect. So this is how I'm gonna put up the skid plate. It also comes with a one of these step tools to drill step bits to make the hole. Depending on what size you want it, it's how big you go. And I'll do one on camera for you guys. Then I'll show you guys the final product. All right, so we're gonna drill this one. I should have marked the step bit to see how far I'm going. But worst case, I just check them like that as I go up. Alright, that's good. So now, what I do is, you get your tool, and you screw this on there. Then, sorry for all the movement. Then we go here and make sure you're flush, and we squeeze it. It's gonna squeeze one, and then there's a little gap here, and what you do is turn this little bottom piece on the tool, get closer. It's gonna screw in, and then you do one more. You could do it 3 times. I think 2 is good enough. These tools eventually don't last because it isn't like the best. It's only about 40 bucks. So let's get this off. Alright, and that's how you do it. Now I just have to do a few more, and then I'll show you guys once I have it bolted up. But pretty easy to do. If you guys ever have to re-rivet, this is the best way. That way it's easy to go on and off. I am missing one there and one up here, but I think these should be enough. I ran out of rivets. The packet that I got didn't come with that many, but I think this should be enough. This is what it looks like. Now I just have to bolt it up and we'll be done. Alright, so I started them on by hand. Now I'm just getting them tightened up. Go slow. And bam, we're done. Like I said, I do run the risk of them getting hung up on something, which I'm okay with. It's not a big deal for me. I'll replace them when the time comes, if that was to happen. And I only did, what is it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them. I still needed 2 more up front. If you can see, it's kind of hanging there and across from there. But this should be enough to hold it in place. I ran out of the rivets, and I'm okay with this. But eventually, it'd be nice to do the whole skid plate. That way it's an easy on and off for whenever you need to get them off or replace them. But yeah, as always, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps.